simple, easy maintenance. Operators love them. No safety issues at all. Very honestly, safety, just pure and plain and simple safety. Not having the operators dealing with opening and connecting to a live cylinder. We have specialized training for the others, well, for everybody, but particularly for those who are using the pressurized system. Because, again, there's a lot more potential for health hazards from those. Normally we dose by weight off of the 1 tons or the 150s. So your unit came in and it had, the built-in weigh scale. It was a simple integration into our SCADA system. It was pretty seamless. The safety valve, the regulator connection, everything was plug and play. We have people in charge of water production. I'd gladly get them in touch with whoever does water production, and they can go through all the plants or booster stations that have them. Definitely recommend it.